Today I'll be showing you guys step by step on how to layer frontals. So welcome back to my channel everyone. If today is your first time of stopping by, you're welcome. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. So here today I have this 13 by 4 lace frontal wig and it is 10 inches. I have my wig cap on already. So let's get right into it. So I use my got2b glue. Yeah, so then I make sure I blow dry. So after putting on my lace wig on the glue, then I spray my got2b glue on the lace. And I blow dry again. So I do it on the both side on all the lace. So after that, then I let it dry. Then I start cutting the lace. As you can see, I'm cutting that side. So then we have to do the other side like that as well. So this is air wax that I'm putting. I just want it to flat, so it makes my hair really flat. So I put the air wax and then I use hot comb to comb it, so it makes it really smart, really flat. You can use air wax or you can use mousse as well, and then hot comb so it makes it flat. This is really easy tutorials on how to layer frontals for beginners. So if you're beginners, you want to know how to layer frontals, this video is for you. So you just need to watch it and do step by step. It's so easy to do, and with time you master it. With time you will improve. So, and you can do your baby hair if you want. It's not really necessary to do baby hair, but in this video I'll be doing baby hair just for people who want to see how to do baby hair. So I'll be doing baby hair in this video, but it's not really necessary to do baby hair. And if you don't have hot comb as well, it's not necessary for you to use hot comb. You can just use air wax and then just brush it, or you can use your mousse and then comb it. Is still gonna be flat. So here I am fixing the stubborn lace, so I'm gonna spray got2b to it, and then yeah. So as you can see, I did the baby hair already. So I'm just trying to make the hair flat right now because I want it to be really, really flat. So here, this is me trying to do a side part because I'm not feeling the center part, the mid one. So I'm not feeling it. So I decided to change it to the side part. So here it is. I'm trying to parted right now. And then after that, I'm gonna put either a concealer or a foundation to make it match my skin. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if today is your first time of stopping by, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn your bell notification as well. Drop a comment and give this video a thumbs up as well. You can also share with your family and friends also. So that's it. I'm putting a foundation or concealer. You can put foundation or concealer. So now I'm just gonna make it flat. I already pulled my hair wax, so I'm just gonna make it flat. I feel like this is so easy. Or what do you guys think? If you think it is easy, drop a comment below. If you think it is not, it's all the same. Still drop a comment below, guys. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So that's it, guys. I'm just giving it a finished touch. You can do whatever you want with it as well. So I like the side part better. So yeah, what do you guys think? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys. Subscribe if you're just stopping by. And thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe, please, and drop a comment below. So I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.